magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Mabuhay and good morning in the evening. Kamabuhayers and kamabuhay. Just sharing you the retired teacher being Erdina being Basilio Rindon. My a day in Davao City. Right here, I'm in Vista Mall, Davao City, here in Mintal. This is also the location of NCCC supermarket as well as department store. So it's Christmas time here with all the Christmas songs, decoration, have a glimpse of their decoration outside the coffee area there. Ang lovely. Hi sir, dito lang ako sir. On that part, that is the NCCC supermarket and department store that is being housed in Vista Mall. For the information of everyone, NCCC supermarket and department store is located in Vista Mall. So it's a joint venture of Vista as well as NCCC. So I'm just fascinated. I'm really amazed with the Christmas decoration here. It's not yet 6 o'clock, but it's already dark on my location now. Take a look of their awesome decoration. Wow, so wonderful, fabulous. The entrance of Vista Mall Davao. This is it, and also going inside the department store owned by NCCC. Let's try to go around here on this Friday. I just like to capture their Christmas decoration. So amazing. Wow. Parking area for those who have cars. But me, I will just have to walk. So this is going now to the supermarket of NCCC. But you can still have your entrance here on the Vista Mall. A glimpse of my escapades on a Friday. Capturing this decoration which really give me joy, my heart and my mind. This area is reserved for parking area, Vista Mall. Christmas decoration. Okay, let's have a selfie here. 1, 2, 3, 4, smile. Okay. Overpass. That's it. Inside is the car for my eyes only. Still available, so come now and buy this car here in Vista Mall. Let's go to this area. Coffee area in this part. Vista Mall. That's it. More decoration here. Wow, it's really Christmas season here. Take a look of the wide parking area. That's the parking area for the car, motorcycles. But according to my friend Romy Lastimoso, that part of the appliances center above second floor of Vista Mall. Next year, there is already a plan by the management that it will be converted into a covered, rather food court. Wow! So I'm super excited for that day when it will be open, but probably next year pa. Over there, that's the overpass. But I will just look for the pedestrian line. It will take me longer to use the overpass. Okay, that's it. This is booming Davao. Booming and blooming. Let's continue our coverage of my addenda City of the retired teacher. Yes, it's a happy holiday now. My favorite car, the red car. I don't have money for that. Okay, the flowers is also decorated with Christmas lights. So it's alive, really alive Christmas season here in Vista Mall. Take a look again of their decoration. Happy holiday. So let's go over there. Almost around there is a Christmas lights, Christmas decoration. All the flowers here. Look at this, the beautiful night of Vista Mall. So amazing. Yeah, over there. That's the old home ECCC. Department store as well as supermarket. But it is located in Vista Mall. Oh, again, another decoration. Christmas lights. Wow. Really capturing the nighttime of my escapades. Really, it's blessing or the booming Davao. All home is also inside the Vista Mall with all the appliances. NCCC supermarket, NCCC department store. It's located in Vista Mall. More decoration. There. McDo is also here for the information of those who love McDo or McDonald's. It's also here in Vista Mall, Davao. This area. Let me show you the condition of the street now, the roadway. It's already 6 o'clock, but look at this, the situation of the vehicles. I mean Mintal, Davao. Again, a glimpse of Vista Mall Davao on a night time. Beautiful Davao. Life is here in Davao City. So for now, this is just my captured episodes as I rejuvenate here in Davao City, in Vista Mall. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Good person, good life, good person. Don't forget, if there's a picture or video, it did not happen. If what we have done is not excellent, we have done nothing. God is good all the time. Mabuhay and good morning in the evening. Live and alive in Vista Mall, Davao, as well as in CCC, Supermarket and Department Store and McDonald's. I am your teacher vlogger, teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. Signing off. Thank you, kamabuhayers, my Facebook friends, my careers, everyone on Facebook, my followers, everyone. Thank you. Until my next vlog. Mabuhay! Mabuhay, signing off. Teacher being, retired teacher Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. In Davao City, life is here. Until my next vlog. See you again. Mabuhay!